Hey guys, Soccer from SAKITECH, and in today's video what we have a bunch of amazing Samsung Galaxy smartphone wallpapers for you to download. So let's dive in and get started right away. To download these wallpapers, what you want to do is you want to click the link down below. That is going to take you to my website. Once you're at the website, all these wallpapers are listed just like this. Number 1, number 2, 3, so on and so forth. So let's start with wallpaper number 1. So what you want to do is you want to click the link over here. That's going to take you to the Galaxy store. Now this wallpaper here right now is free, so grab it as soon as possible. Normally it is $1, so it is a premium wallpaper. And again, you saw exactly what that looks like on the lock screen in the beginning of the video. It is quite an amazing wallpaper. Okay, now let's move on and talk about number 2. So wallpaper number 2 is going to be right here. Now this one's a little bit different. This is a tornado wallpaper. So I'm going to click the link. It's going to take me to the actual store. From there, this is going to be 100% free. You tap on apply and look at that. You get a live tornado right on your lock screen. So let's take a look at that full video. Look at that. Alright, so that is real life footage of a tornado going through that house. Now let's go over and look at wallpaper number 3. Now this one is the Raindrops wallpaper, one of my favorites. You click on it, takes you to the store, apply, set, let's see. Boom, boom, right over here, double tap, there we go. Okay, so we have a bunch of raindrops just flowing and combining together. Okay, very nice, looks beautiful. All right, so that's number 3. Let's go to number 4. Now this one right here is known as the dark colors wallpaper. I'm going to click on it. All right, I'm going to tap. I'm sorry, that's actually not dark colors. It is known as digital numbers. So I'm going to tap on apply, set, and look at that. It's got a matrix-like interface here, sideways, and it's going to be numbers. Okay, so that looks really nice, really futuristic, and technically mysterious. Okay, so let's go over here, go down over here. We have wallpaper number 5, known as geometry. Now that one is the one that I have in the background right here. So click the link, it will take you to the store. Now this is a static wallpaper. You tap on apply. You can set this anywhere that you want. I like to see this on my home screen, so it's right there. Looks gorgeous and stunning. Now let's go for the bonus wallpaper, the last one. Now this one here is something known as the Multipack Wallpaper. Once you download this and install this, download is complete, tap on apply, and let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see when I tap on apply, there's a whole bunch of wallpapers available here. Okay, you can see they're all different. Now what happens is when you lock the phone and you unlock it, you get one of these wallpapers. But when you go inside and you unlock your phone again, you get a different color. Okay, so basically it goes through all the available wallpapers, so it gives a nice dynamic experience. Now that is known as the multi-pack wallpapers. So there's a bunch of these guys, and they're really nice. You can see all of them individually right here. Okay? Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.